something else on the body. They can actually get cultures. They can do blood work. There's so many different tests now. But I would say I would try to find, if you can, a African American female dermatologist. Because, of course, they have a better understanding because they're more than likely dealing with the same texture of hair. They're dealing with the same thing that we can't use certain things all the time. But it's kind of unorthodox. But if you find one, great. If you don't, then, of course, your next best thing is just a female dermatologist. But I don't know the name of the test. I would just say to start with that. There's also a service called PRP. PRP is using your platelets from your body to regrow a stagnated area.
Hello, what is that you're putting in her hair, and do you have one for color treated hair?
So this is a relaxer. Relaxer it doesn't discriminate if you're color treated, light skin, dark skin, gray, white, pink, dandruff, no dandruff, dirty, clean. It's all the same. It is all the same. Okay, Mama, let's go over to the shampoo bowl. Where is my phone?
Okay, I got scammed and lost a lot of hair, especially the top because of stress. I have many of your products and my hair is relaxed. What do you recommend I use most?
You got scammed and what?
I got scammed and lost a lot of hair, especially the top because of stress.
Oh, because of stress.
Yeah. I have a lot of your products and her hair is relaxed. What do you recommend she use the most?
The hair repair collection is going to be great for you. Go ahead and go to the shampoo bowl, Mama. The hair repair collection is what I would recommend you use. Especially the Goddess Hair Repair Serum. That's definitely going to help. And then you definitely want to start with some form of hair, skin, and nail vitamin. That's also going to be a big help. What's your last name, Mama? Okay. I got it. Where's Tawanda? All right, let's go over to the shampoo bowl, you guys. I got my hair cut yesterday, by the way. I'm back. Hello, good morning. What are you doing? Tawanda, are you here?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
You know you had a 10 o'clock. Huh? Hello? Can you hear me? You thought you would? I don't know what she said. Hey, Tawanda. I didn't hear what you said, baby. What did you say? Hello? Hey. I can hear you now. I don't think so. Did you want me to move it? You want me to move it? Because you have one for today, but it's not canceled. I can move it. You want me to move it? It's fine. What, September? Okay, so what I'll do is I'm just gonna move this one to any day late September, and then you can move it whenever you get a chance. Yeah. So I'm gonna move this one to any day at the end of September. And then you'll get an email for you to be able to move it around where when you get the confirmation, you can go use the calendar and move it around wherever you need to. There you go. You're welcome, baby. No, you're fine. No problem. Bye. All right. Hold on, you guys. Let me put you guys up here.